Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Ever found yourself logged into Mobile Legends on too many devices and now you're looking for an easy way to log out from all of them at once? Well, you're in the right place. Let's dive into it. To start off, open up the Mobile Legends app. Then tap on the account picture icon situated at the top left corner. Next up, tap on the account from the bottom of the left menu bar. After that, navigate to Account Center from the menu on the right. Then, click on Device Management. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a list of devices you're currently logged into. Now, hit the Log Out All option found at the bottom right corner. Lastly, confirm your action by tapping on Confirm. And there you have it. So, that's how you log out or remove Mobile Legends from all devices in one swift move. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Catch you in the next video.